Welcome to MathSolve. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert units of measurement by using the conversion factor. In this video, I am particularly focusing on the conversion of lengths and probably mass. I will try to create more videos later on to convert the areas, volumes, and the rate, kind of speed. So particularly we are focusing now on the conversion of the lengths and mass. So we are trying to convert 80 centimeter to millimeter. So as I said, we are converting the units, so centimeter to millimeter, by using the conversion factor. So first of all, we have to know, so this is our first problem, what is the conversion factor between centimeter to millimeter? So 10 centimeter, if you know the 10 centimeter, sorry, it's 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Centimeter is larger unit, so 10 centimeter will give you 10 millimeter will give you 1 centimeter. So we need to know the conversion factor. And as long as we know the conversion factor, we can convert that unit. So what we can do, we can say, okay, 80 centimeter is equivalent to 80 centimeter times. What I'm doing, I am using this conversion factor, but I'm using in this way. So I don't need to remember, I will divide with that factor or multiply. That's how students get confused when they need to do multiplication or when they need to do the division with the factor. So even though they know the scale factor or they know the factor for this unit conversion, but they're sometimes confused when they need multiplication, when they need division. So I think this is the technique that if you can remember, then you don't need to memorize it when you need to multiply or divide. So I'm just writing 80 centimeter, and so I'm writing exactly the same thing, but I am writing the factor, the conversion factor. 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeter. So I'm writing the same thing. 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter. So I'm writing 1 centimeter over 1 centimeter. Basically, I am not doing anything here. Actually, I am just multiplying with the 1. And you can multiply both sides with the same number. So 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter is the same thing. So we are multiplying on the top, whatever we are multiplying, we are dividing with the same thing. So it means we are not changing the value. But why then I'm doing this extra part? I am doing this part, I am bringing this factor to help me to cancel that centimeter. So when I'm writing the factor, I will try to write the factor in a way that it will cancel my unit. And then I will come up with the millimeter. So millimeter will be there at the end of the calculation. So now we can see we have 80, which is definitely in our numerator, and then 10 is also numerator, and then we have in the down we have just only 1. So you can just say, okay, 80 times 10, which is in millimeter, then in the bottom is 1. So it means 800 millimeter would be our answer. So when it's asking to convert from 80 centimeter to millimeter, then you can do this. Always you just need to know what is the conversion factor, then write down that factor in that way that we can cancel out that units, and then finally we are ended up with the 800 millimeter is the answer. Let's have a look at another example. Maybe we can just go for 4 maybe, or okay, 24500 millimeter, and I'm asking to convert to kilometer probably. Okay, it's a big job now. So you can't just jump directly from millimeter to kilometer. It's a big way to go, you know that. So what you can go step by step. If you know what is the factor between millimeter to kilometer, that's fine. You can do in a single step. But I mostly prefer to go in a multiple step. What are the factors involved from millimeter to kilometer? So first we can go, okay, 1000 millimeter equal to 1 meter. Then we can go, okay, 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So you see, I am using two conversion factor to reach that kilometer. So now again I will follow the same way. So 80 sorry, not is 80, in this question it is 24500 millimeter, and I can write down times of this is equivalent to what. So I'm just doing exactly the same thing, this value times, I am using the factor, but you know that when I am writing factor I am not changing the value, all about just I am introducing my unit which I am interested in. So now I am going from millimeter to meter, so I am writing this factor just up and down in a ratio form. So I am putting 1000 millimeter down. Why? Because millimeter will cancel, and then on the top I am putting 1 meter. You see, so already in the system millimeter cancel, meter is there, but I am not interested in meter, I am interested in kilometer. So I have to go for next step or next factor, and next factor is meter. If I put meter on the bottom, then meter will cancel, but meter is coming with 1000, because 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So now you can see meter cancel, millimeter cancel, we are ended up with the only kilometer. That's what we interested in. So it means our numerator will be 24500 and then unit will be kilometer, and then at the bottom we have just 1000 times 1000 equal to, so we just need to simplify it, and there are 6 0 as I explained already in my one video how to divide with that 1000 or 10,000. So we just need to put our decimal towards the left. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it means 0 extra should be there to make it a 6 decimal place. 24500 that's a 0 point kilometer. So it means we have like 5 digit here, and if you divide by 1 like it's a 1 million basically 60, so it means we have to go 6 decimal places down, so 3 decimal place and 3 decimal places. So I am putting extra 0 to make it 6 digit, and now this is the kilometer, so we don't need to put that 20 extra in at the end. You can just leave it like 0.0245 kilometer is the same thing, you know that these zeros doesn't make any sense here. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. So converting to 24,500 millimeter to kilometer, the kilometer will be 0.0245, so which is equivalent to that value. Let's have a look at another example. 2.3 kilogram, and I am asking to convert to maybe gram. Okay. So first we need to know what is the conversion factor, kilogram and gram. So 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So that we can put in a side note. So as long as you know the factor, it's very easy for us, because we know that 2.3 kilogram is equivalent to 2.3 kilogram times with the factor, but we are putting kilogram on the down. Why? Because I want to cancel kilogram. So if you want to kilogram down, what is the fact? So it's not kilometer, so it's kilogram. Yeah. So it means we are putting 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Again, I am putting the same thing. So 1000 gram, 1 kilogram is the same thing. So same thing up and down. Basically, I am not changing the value, but I am putting that in a way so that we can cancel that kilogram. So now we are ended up with 2.3 times 1000 gram, which is, I can just put it there, which is 2300 gram. So 2300. So because 10 will be cancelled for the 1 decimal point, so it would be 23 and 20 will be there. So 2300 gram is equivalent to 2.3 kilogram. So this is our answer.